GoodWe is a Chinese solar inverter manufacturer that was founded in 2010 and entered the Australian market in 2012 with an office in Melbourne. They are well known for their extensive range of inverters, particularly hybrid models that are compatible with battery storage. This flexibility makes them an excellent choice for homeowners looking to integrate solar and battery solutions. Their 5 kW single-phase DNS series inverter features 2 maximum power point trackers, MPPTs, allowing solar panels to be installed on 2 different roof orientations. Meanwhile, the MS series includes 3 MPPTs, making it suitable for more complex roof layouts with multiple panel orientations. GoodWe inverters are equipped with an LCD screen that provides real-time monitoring, enabling users to track system performance instantly. Additionally, they have a long-term performance tracking system for better energy management. The inverters are designed with a compact form factor, ensuring they take up minimal wall space and making installation more convenient. Built to withstand outdoor conditions, GoodWe inverters can be mounted externally. However, it is recommended to install them in shaded areas to prevent overheating and maintain efficiency. They come with a 10-year product warranty, offering reliability and peace of mind. Furthermore, GoodWe provides strong local support through their Melbourne office, ensuring customers in Australia have access to technical assistance and servicing when needed.